Sunday morning, my Jeep update, starting the process of installing timing chain cover gasket. Okay, got the gasket with RTV on the engine block in place. Getting ready to start put some RTV on the timing cover and put it in place. Another my Jeep update. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see, I got the timing cover on, and at this point I got to start a hunt. I dropped one of the bolts that go to the timing cover, one of the small bolts, and I'm still looking for it. So, but I got the rest of them snug up on the gaskets and the RTV. Next thing I got to do is do install of the harmonic balancer to straighten and center everything up, and go from there. I got to pull it back off and check the torque of all the cover bolts. And it's an update for now, my Jeep out. Got through torquing the timing chain cover. I believe it's the block bolts. I'm not sure exactly what you call them. But they call for, I believe, 60 inch-pounds. I've got those. That's 60 inch-pound right there. Okay, and now I'm going to torque. I believe these are the bigger bolts. They're slightly bigger and longer, and I believe I'm not sure what you call them. Some sources refer to them as stud bolts, but I'm not sure. But I think they go to 16 foot-pounds. But I'm gonna check that. I'll get back to you. My Jeep out. My Jeep quick update. Sunday, going on 3 o'clock, and I'm starting to put the harmonic balancer on. Any progress? Another update. Out. My Jeep update, Sunday, January 9th, 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not
what the hell you do this time, boy?
Video from my last couple of postings. This is, yes, I had a failure. First of all, I put my cover on, and I have forgotten to put the chain tensioner in. So I hadn't had it on very long, so I pulled it back off and everything was still good to go. I put a little more RTV, smooth it down, and put it back on. Then after about 30-45 minutes, and I was looking for a bolt that I had dropped, I found that I had not put the lower gasket in that comes in the kit.
Billy, you're just plain stupid.
So I pulled everything back off, cleaned the gaskets off, and by this time the cover looked like hell, so I repainted it. Anyway, tomorrow, which will be Monday, I will go probably to O'Reilly's and get me another timing kit gasket set, because I need 2 gaskets now, because the paper gasket was destroyed. Anyway, that's it for today, and that is a failure. When I have them, I'm gonna let you know, so maybe you can avoid my
How many damn failures you gonna have, boy?
And mine is due to being, I was in too big a hurry and lack of experience and not remembering, and maybe age has something to do with it. But anyway, so don't make the mistake that I did if you're going to do this job. Don't forget to put that chain tensioner in, and don't forget that lower gasket, my G-Falcon.